To buy quality traffic, you should find the most suitable solo ad vendors, so you'll begin your journey on Udimi on the search page. Here are the number of filters on the search page to help you make the right choice. Specify when you wish to start the solo with the date filter. Select the minimal quantity of visitors you wish to reach within 100 hours. Choose the price per click that is suitable for you. Apply this filter to see only the active vendors that are currently online. The next is the sales filter. It's very important since it shows how many previous clients got the sales from the solo. Say, if the webmaster has sold 10 solos and 4 of the clients got the sales from it, the seller has 40% of the sales. Apply this filter to find the sellers with the selected number of likes from the clients. Looking for clicks on a specific niche? Use this filter to select one of the popular areas. Exclude some of the sellers according to these parameters. Promoted: the sellers that have paid for the top positions in the search results. Rejected: the sellers that have rejected your offer during the last 30 days. Future: the sellers with whom you already have the order in the future. Recent: the sellers you recently bought from. Bad: the sellers that have got the bad rating from me in the past. Similar: the sellers with the similar traffic as whose you have already bought from. Didn't log in: the inactive sellers that haven't logged on Udimi during the last 60 days. Hidden: the sellers that were hidden by me earlier. Sort the search results by score, ratings, price, or sales. You can see the main user information on the search results page. The review from the last buyer. The number of positive and negative reviews. Price per click. Sales percentage. Online status. Click on the user information to see the complete profile and to order the solo. Use this button to open the complete user profile in the new tab. You can also add the profiles to the favorites. They will appear in the favorites list then.